In this scenario, we're going to fly a DME arc to a VOR DME approach out of Lyons, Kansas into Hutchinson, Kansas. This scenario is described on page 182 of the Flying with the Avidyne IFD book by Michael F. Bauer. So we're given a clearance. You are cleared to direct Hutchinson Airport. Intercept the 15 DME arc. Cleared for VOR DME approach. We're going to use the yet true initial approach fix, which will define that part of the arc on that half of the curve there. So let's set that one up. Let's go over to our FMS and clear this route. So hit that, highlight the current route and clear it. Delete it. And let's set us up. I'm going to push the FMS button here. Push it again for origin. Highlight here. And then type in KLYO. That's Lyons, Kansas. Okay. Now reposition the sim. Now I'm going to hit the FMS button again. And it's a nominated Hutchinson VOR, but we're going to go straight to the airport. So we want KHUT. There we go. Off we go. All right, so let's activate this flight plan. All right, so now we're going to take off. Okay, so while it's flying away there, let's go ahead and load our approach. Let's hit the proc button. We want VOR DME, so we touch it. We hit the enter key. And our yetro is our initial approach fix. Notice that brings up the arc. We hit select by hitting enter. And now we're going to fly inbound to that DME arc. If I go to the full map page here, zoom out, you can see we're heading toward it. If I go to the SynViz tab, you can see there's the DME arc off in the distance, but notice it's not activated yet. If we activate the DME arc too soon, it's going to turn to the left and try to head that way, intercept. But we want to intercept perpendicular coming from Lyons, so we're going to wait till we get a little closer. Okay, if we want to select the chart, we go to the map page. We've got the Lyons Departure Airport. Let's select the chart, and it knows our destination, so we select Hutchinson. Sorry, paste Hutchinson, and VOR 22. There's the chart. We're getting close, so let's go back to the FMS. We want to activate this leg as we get close. We're getting there. We're almost to the chart. You can see the extent of the actual chart. We'll get ready, and we'll go ahead and activate the leg. So let's hit that button and activate. And now we're going to turn. Notice now we're got the VOR DME approach is armed. The VLOC is armed, and we're turning onto the 15-mile arc. If I switch to the map page here, you can see I'm coming onto the chart. We're going to fly around the arc to Newbrae and then inbound. From the SynViz page, get a nice view of the arc there. Same with the out the window view. So it wants us to begin our descent so we can get to Newbrae at 3,300 feet, which it says right here. There's our lateral deviation for our VOR. Checked identifier. Notice it tuned 116.8. Normally it would decode the VOR Morse code. It's transitioned to the VOR approach. Now we're inbound. Again, the simulator won't show that because it's not able to tune the VHF.
$500.
So there's the VOR DME 22 approach with the 15 DME arc. So we've covered the LPV approach, the LPV with a course reversal, the VOR approach, an ILS approach, and the DME arc. So hopefully you find these videos helpful in learning the IFDs. Fly safe, everybody, and have a great day.